And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back. It is 6:40 a.m. and it is finally Friday morning. We have big changes on the way today thanks to a strong cold front. We are in for a much cooler, even chilly weekend. Finally, I know people have been waiting for this front and it is on the way. Because of the front for this afternoon from 3 p.m. to 9 o'clock this evening, wind advisory will be in effect for coastal Willisey and coastal Cameron County, shown in the pink. Right now the temperatures are quite mild. We're in the upper 60s to around 70 in Brownsville, 67 McAllen, 68 in Harlingen and Weslaco. The winds are out of the south-southeast at 10 miles an hour. Humidity is 84%. So the kids may want a light sweater or jacket before school, but it's not terribly cold. Temperatures in the upper 60s at 8 a.m. The temperatures will be in the upper 70s at noon. The front should get here or arrive in the valley starting around lunchtime and exit the valley, the lower valley that is, by around 6 or 7 o'clock this evening. So we're going to throw in a slight chance of a shower for today. Mostly cloudy skies for this afternoon, but even bigger. Behind that front, the temperatures will fall. It's going to feel much cooler and windy behind the front. So what that means is if you're going to the high school games for tonight, you will want the sweater or jacket, because while the temperatures may be in the upper 60s by kickoff, the wind is going to make it feel even chillier. So 68 degrees, but feeling chilly at kickoff, and then right around 60, maybe even upper 50s by the end of the game. Not so concerned about rain chances. There may be a stray shower, but I think the bigger issue for tonight is the chilly feel because of the wind. So very cool with temperatures in the upper 60s to start off the games. There's a front right now draped over central Texas, West Texas, and just east of Dallas-Fort Worth. That front gets here by around lunchtime, and temperatures behind the front right now, look at that, 34 degrees in Amarillo, 45 in Midland and Abilene. Ahead of the front, 63 in San Antonio, 64 in Laredo, and 67 degrees in Houston. So on Future Track, the model thinks we could see some spotty showers toward the lower valley and the coast around 3 o'clock this afternoon, maybe even 1 p.m. The winds crank up behind the front. It is much cooler behind it, and especially for this evening, and then downright chilly by late tonight and early tomorrow morning, because those lows by Saturday morning when you wake up will be the upper 40s. So you can turn off the AC, but grab the blankets and the sweaters and jackets, especially for tomorrow morning. Much cooler just in time for Saturday. 20% chance of some showers for today. Other than that, it is dry for Saturday for Sunday. Boating's not good for today, especially for this afternoon or for tonight. Small craft advisory in effect. The bay waters will be rough. We'll have winds out of the south shifting to the north at 20 to 25 knots. Your next tide is a low tide at 2:18 this afternoon. The seas will be around 5 to 9 feet. So for today, the high temperature of 82 should be reached around midday. So behind that, you notice the arrow, the downward pointing arrow. Those temperatures will start to fall behind the front for this afternoon. It is windy and cooler, just a 20% chance of some showers. Behind the front, we'll have winds out of the north at 15 to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, bundle up, decreasing clouds, windy and chilly, with an overnight low of 47 degrees. We'll have winds out of the north at 15 to 20 miles an hour. And here's that 7-day forecast. A great morning tomorrow for the hot chocolate. 47 degrees Saturday morning, only up to 70 for the high. Yes, it will be sunny for Saturday and Sunday, but much cooler, and it's even chillier for Saturday night and Sunday morning, as lows dip it in the mid-40s. It's in the mid-70s for the highs on Sunday. Then we're warming up into the mid-80s for Monday and Halloween Tuesday. I have increased the rain chances a bit for Tuesday. We're calling for a 40% chance of showers during the day on Halloween Tuesday. Highs in the lower 80s. We're down to 69 degrees for Tuesday night. Lower 80s for Wednesday with a 30% chance of some showers. We're down to 70 by Wednesday night. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Back